Hey you guys. In today's video, what we are going to do is turn a regular candle like this. This is a clearance candle. You can use any candle of your choice that is plain. And we are going to turn it into a beautiful, gorgeous Valentine's Day gift. Okay? Just like that. I love this project because this is a great way to get rid of your scrap flowers and also your leftover tissue paper. Okay, so this project right here is very, very beginner friendly. And if you have not already, if you can please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. And we are going to go ahead and get started. Okay, I quickly want to show you what size tissue paper to cut to go on your gift, okay? So this is how big, this is my scraps, okay? So this is how big this is. What you want to do is this size right here, you want to cut it into fourths, okay? So they should be really, really small and turn out to about this size. You see that, how small that is compared to this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut your tissue paper, and this tissue paper this size into 4. So it'll be this big, this little. I'm sorry. All right. Okay. So you want your design to go inward, and you want the plain side. If you get tissue paper that has a design on it, make the design go inward, and you want the plain side to be in the back, outward. Okay. So you're going to take your skewer like this. Just put it on there like this. Fold it over like this on your skewer. Add you a little bit of glue. Just like this. And just stick it in here. Okay, now as you stick, you're going to turn the skewer. If you see what my hand's doing, turn the skewer just a little bit like that. Okay, because you want to make sure your tissue paper do not fall out. You want to be nice and secure, and that's the best way that I found to secure your tissue paper. Okay. So I'm just going to alternate it. I'm going to show you a couple of more times, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's all done.